Mama's team and Papa's team who got to put Ethan and Erin's pajama tonight.
No!
Right?
No!
No. So whoever wins will put Erin's and pajama tonight. And whoever loses will get to sleep early. Nice deal? Good. Okay, wait, let's start. No, yelling. Okay, can you please sit down, my dear? Hi everybody, this is Eric and Risa for Eric and Risa's vlog for another episode of unboxing. Today we are going to unbox Tupperware Power Chef. Tupperware Power Chef. But before we do that, we would like to say thank you for everybody who already subscribed. And for those who haven't subscribed, please do so. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And suggest anything else that you guys want us to unbox. Okay, so let's start.
So we're gonna do a chop.
The same thing, like come along.
And come along, you can say.
Come along.
Okay, and then also at the end of this unboxing, we are going to do a challenge.
Yeah.
Right? And as you can see, we have some food.
The fastest cooker.
And the fastest cooker. So we're going to make a salsa, as you guys see.
The fastest cooker wins. He wins.
Yeah, the faster cooker will win.
If Mama
It's not a cooker, actually, it's the chopper.
The chopper.
the chopper wins.
The chopper wins.
If Mama chopper wins.
Then we win.
Yeah.
Okay. So whoever win between Mama's team and Papa's team will got to put Ethan and Erin's pajama tonight.
No.
Right? We unbox. So it comes with things like this. Okay. And we have this one,
The cover.
the cover, the blade, which have the
Secure blade. A locking
The case.
Case, yeah.
for the blade.
So you
So
don't
this
get
is how.
cut.
Ah,
Because it seems very sharp. So
yes.
try
Like
not
that.
to touch the blade.
Okay, so okay, so that's the one, and the base, which is the like what is this?
The
Actually, we
tail.
can look at this thing. It comes with pamphlets. All right. Okay, well, what?
Yes, it's a
This
tail.
one.
Yeah.
It's the base. It's called the base. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Nene said okay. And then the lid that you use,
Careful
Ethan,
with this.
is very
It's
sharp. Okay. And then the lid, if whatever you chop didn't finish, so you can put it and store it directly to the fridge. The whisk.
Yeah.
Is it the whisk?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it's
So
a
like
paddle whisk.
baking or something.
And the funnel that you can attach. Okay, so that's all. So let's put them together and see how it works. So I guess this one goes in here if you want to use that part. So you attach on this side like that. Oh, oops. Yeah, so you attach it like that and like that. And or I think it will stick here. Oh, there.
Yeah, it sticks there.
Like that.
There we
So
go.
if you got to use that that whisk. But today we are going to use the
Nachos.
we're gonna make a salsa.
Yeah.
So we're gonna show you this is what we're gonna use. So this is how you do it, I think. And then
And
you
this, I think.
oh, no, not babe, not yet.
Not yet.
Oh, and this is one thing that my friend actually told me, that there is a little nudge in there. And then there's a little nudge in here too, like a little canal that you have to put together, otherwise you won't be able to lock it. So that's locked. But the cool thing about this Power Chef, actually, we first saw this Power Chef last summer when a friend of ours introduced us to Tupperware. And she had this product with her when she came over. And it's so amazing. That's a lot. She cut like tomatoes, mango in just a few wisps of this thing. So this is actually then right foot and up. Okay. So this is how it how's the magic began. Okay? Alright. So
it's not turning.
oh, it's not turning.
There we go.
Okay? So that's how we work, which is amazing. Now, if you wanna put, I guess, juice while you're cutting,
Yeah.
so that it mixes properly.
Or I guess
then
you can
just
add oil too, because there's measurements.
Yeah, like
Here
whatever juice or liquid that you want to add during the time that you're turning the blade.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that's how it is, and let's see how it goes, because we really love it. I mean, when we see when she's using it, it really I feel like it's really an amazing product. So for now, let's do the challenge. Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So for this challenge, let me just get.
Yes. Don't put your hand in here ever, okay?
Okay, so for this challenge, we have to. So who's using this? You guys are using
we're
this?
gonna
Okay.
use this.
Okay, wait. Now that's cheating. Nene, which one are we gonna use? Where's the
Give me
okay. So Eric is gonna use the Power Chef. Eric and Ethan's gonna use the Power Chef, and I'm going to use the cutting, just to show you guys how does it work and how much time it took for the Power Chef to cut the exact same thing that I'm going to cut by knife. Thank you, sweetheart. So you guys have that. Nene and Mama have this. Papa and Ethan have this, and I have this. And you guys have that, and I have this. And then you guys have this. Nene and Mama have cut this. And then we divide this. Then we have some that. Okay? For you guys, I think you have to cut it a little bit. Right?
So we cut the pieces so you can try to fit it in here. Okay, so we're gonna put it all
Ethan, go. Help Papa.
Ethan, help.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so we cut the pieces not too small, but enough to make it fit into the Tupperware. So we're gonna try to see if we can beat the other competitor, where she's gonna be cutting compared to this Tupperware Power Chef.
Okay, wait.
Okay,
Before
ready?
you guys pull that, we have to start the timer, okay? Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Nene, wait.
Ready, Sarah, go.
Go. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, see, we're winning.
Can you see how this
Can you see how it's coming up? Pretty much like minced puree.
okay? Is that it?
Yeah, I think it's good. The end result is basically
Wow.
good minced within a few seconds.
Oh, yeah, you forgot the lemon. Okay, I just pour it in here. Okay, you guys are on time.
Okay, so to pour the lemon, you put it here.
Papa, get more
Okay, and
fast,
then-
boy.
Wait, it's not bright. Okay, go.
Okay, and then you just squeeze it into here, and then the juice goes in. Okay, and then you take it out, and then you just let it stir.
Okay, to mix.
So
Oh,
mix it.
okay, you got
Okay,
it.
we're good.
4 seconds.
We're good. Yeah, done.
Okay? 1 minute and 30.
Well, you didn't stop it, so
okay.
it's probably like a
1 minute and like 20
20, 15
seconds.
seconds.
Okay. guys because Aaron already did it.
Oh,
Okay.
so you're cheating.
No, I'm
Well,
not
we
cheating.
didn't have to.
Okay, so
So you got it.
I have just to compare how fast Power Chef is. I'm going to cut my. Where is my tomato, Nene? Where's my tomato? Where did she put my tomato? Where's my tomato?
You're losing.
Nene, where's my tomato? Okay, so to show how Power Chef is, how fast Power Chef is, I'm going to do exactly what Eric did. I'm going to cut my part of vegetable to make it like this, to make a salsa, and see how long it takes for me to do it. Okay? Timer starts now. Okay.
Timer starts now.
How to do this? Oh my God, it's done. No, it's not gonna.
4 more seconds left.
4 more seconds left.
Yes.
Someone's cut already.
See? No.
Mama, don't be fast.
Don't cut yourself.
Don't be fast. Well, I'm gonna.
Don't cut
But
yourself.
remember, we have to be this consistency,
Yeah.
right?
We win first level.
2.
If we're doing good, just count. 40 seconds.
Oh, this Power Chef is available to any Tupperware store for $85
50
plus tax.
seconds.
50 seconds left.
50 seconds left.
Almost a
Nene,
minute.
we're going to lose.
Yeah, we're winning.
Okay, wait, and it's my salary.
You still have your
I know.
celery stock.
No, but I need to make it small like that, right?
Oh, yeah. So it
Ethan,
looks like
I'm winning.
we're okay. Look, no, it has to be this consistency.
Okay,
So we
that's
won.
gonna happen.
That was already a minute 30.
Let's make it
We
faster.
win.
Okay.
Oh, we had a minute 30, I think. Okay, so
Okay, I'm
we
in
win.
30. So that's it?
We win. And
Okay, so
still,
stop the clock.
I'll stop the clock.
Okay. So this is what I got for a minute and 35
35
seconds, which
seconds.
Eric did 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I guess Power Chef wins.
Wins because it's so minced and
Yay,
it's hard to
Ethan.
get it that way.
Okay, yay.
So we win.
You had fun?
Mama, we win.
Okay, that's how it is. We win, Ethan. You win, Ethan.
Yay.
We win next time, right, Nene? Okay,
Good
but
game.
Nene went eating. Thank you guys for staying with us for another unboxing
And video.
episode and challenge. I hope you guys like it.
I think this is our first challenge video.
Yeah, we had fun, and I guess this is dedicated to actually the two of them. Hopefully they'll see when they see this when they grow old, and they will remember this moment.
And
Okay,
comment
thank you guys.
on,
Comment and.
If you want to see more challenges, comment on our channel, and we'll see if we can prepare for that.
Okay, thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.